Welcome to Jupiter Academy channel. Today let us see motion in a straight line, NEET 2021 problem. A car starts from rest and accelerates at 5 meter per second square. At t equal to 4 seconds, a ball is dropped out of the window by a first person sitting in the car. What is the velocity and acceleration of the ball at time 6 seconds? What is given is g equal to 10 m by s square. The options given are A 20 m by s, this is velocity, and this is acceleration 5 m by s square, and option B 20 m by s and 0 m by s square, 20 root 2 m by s, 0 m by s square, and option D 20 root 2 m by s, 10 m by s square. So these are the options given. So let us understand the question. Now car is at rest and this is accelerating at a rate of 5 meter per second square. So acceleration is given 5 meter per second square, acceleration of the car. And time equal to 4 seconds, a ball is dropped out of the window of the first person sitting in the car. So you know that something when it is thrown, already you would have learnt in your kinematics, when a stone is dropped from a train, it will take the path due to gravity, projectile. So it will take the path as a parabola. So that when it is taking the path as a parabola, you know that there is horizontal velocity as well as vertical velocity. So at this point there is horizontal velocity, but whereas when it is moving down, it will have both horizontal velocity as well as the vertical velocity. So that we can just say the velocity Vx is in the horizontal direction and Vy is the velocity in the vertical direction. Similarly, acceleration in the horizontal direction, acceleration in the vertical direction. Since we are having two velocities at a point, we can get the resultant velocity. So you know that by just completing this parallelogram, Vx, Vy, you can draw the diagonal. This diagonal gives you the resultant R. Or here we can say velocity V. So we know by applying the Pythagoras theorem, V is equal to square root of Vx square plus Vy square. Alright. So that similarly, acceleration we can say A is equal to Ax square plus Ay square. So we need to get what is the horizontal velocity and what is the vertical velocity. Then horizontal acceleration and vertical acceleration. You know that since the object is just, that is a ball is dropped from the window of the train, there is no horizontal force. No horizontal force is acting. So the vertical direction, it is due to gravitational force. So that due to acceleration due to gravity, it is coming down. So due to that, we can just say the velocity can be calculated by the formula V equal to U plus AT. V equal to U plus AT. So that we know here U is 0 because car starts from rest. So 0 plus, you can just say acceleration is given 5, time is 4. So that this is Vx. Okay, so the Vx is nothing but 5 4s are 20, 20 ms power minus 1. So we got Vx. So we can get what is Vy. So you know that since Vx square is 20 meter per second and with the same speed it is coming. And so now again when you use the formula here, Vy is equal to U plus Gt, because due to gravitational force it's coming down, so that A will become G. So Vy is equal to U plus Gt. Again U is 0, G is given 10, and you here when you note here, the ball is dropped at t equal to 4 seconds, ball is dropped out of the window. And they are asking you to calculate what is the velocity at time t equal to 6 seconds. So the difference of time is what? 2 seconds. So t to be substituted as 2 seconds here. So that Vy is 20 meter per second. So now we have got Vx, we have got Vy. So we can calculate V. V is equal to square root of Vx square plus Vy square. So which is equal to root of 20 square plus 20 square. So which is equal to root of 400 plus 400. Or we can write this as root of 2 into 20 square. 2 into 20 square. So root 20 square is 20 and root 2 20. So 20 root 2. This answer is 20 root 2 meter per second. So we have got 20 root 2 in two options, C and D. So after finding acceleration only, we can find the correct answer. So that when we come to acceleration, A, acceleration we can see in the horizontal direction there is no force. So that Ax is said to be 0. And Ay is due to gravitational force. So Ay is nothing but G, which is equal to 10 ns power minus 2. Therefore, A is equal to square root of Ax square plus Ay square. So which is equal to 0 square plus 10 square, which is equal to root 100, which is nothing but 10. So we have got acceleration as 10 ms power minus 2 and velocity as 20 root 2 ms m by s. So that the option C will not be correct. So D only is correct. So D option is right for this question. Subscribe Jupiter Academy channel.